Hello students, good morning. As we have already started a topic regression, in this topic we have already learned what is the regression line. Then we have learned about the properties of regression line and regression coefficient. After that we have learned problem based on the properties and given data. Then in our previous video we have learned about how to identify the regression equation. In continuation with this topic, today we will learn how to find out the angle between the regression lines. Now, angle between the regression lines. As we know that the angle between two lines is the tan theta. We have done in the equation of lines also. And the tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2 means modulus means we always consider the positive angle there, where m1 is the slope of first line, m2 is the slope of the second line. Now for the regression equations, we are having the regression coefficient, that is byx and bxy. So we will consider the regression coefficients are the slope of the regression line. In this equation, when we are considering m1 is the byx, so m2 will be equal to 1 upon bxy. Tan theta will be equal to, we will put this value in the same equation, m1 minus m2. Now you are having the value m1 is byx, m2 value is 1 upon bxy, 1 plus byx into 1 upon bxy. Now you will put the value in this way. When you put the value, you will get that tan theta will be equal to byx into bxy minus 1 upon byx plus bxy. This is the simple method to find out the angle between the two regression lines. We need only two regression coefficients. We put the value in this formula and we will find out the result there. Now I am taking one example. The coefficient of correlation between the values. Coefficient of correlation means what value is given to you. Value of R is there. This is the value of R. The denoted by X and Y is 0.5. The standard deviation means sigma. If I am talking about X, so this is the value of sigma X. Sigma X is 5 and sigma Y is 4 there. We have to find out the angle between the lines of regression. Now, first of all, we will write down all the dimensions there. So, what is the value of sigma x? It is equal to 5. Sigma y is equal to 4. R is equal to 0.5. Now, we are having the formula of theta also there. Tan theta is equal to byx, bxy minus 1 upon byx plus bxy. Now, in this full question, we are not having the value of byx and bxy, but we are having a formula how to find out the byx and bxy when sigma y and sigma x is given to you. Byx is equal to r into sigma y upon sigma x. We will put the value of r here, 0.5. Sigma y value is 4. Sigma x value is 5. When we put the value, so it will be equal to 5 upon 10 into 4 upon 5. When we cancel the value, so byx value is 2 upon 5 there. Same case, we can find out the value of bxy also. This value is equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y. When we put the value 0.5 into 5 upon 4. When we solve the value, so it will be give you a result 5 upon 8 there. Now we are having the value byx and bxy. We will put the value there. So tan theta will be equal to 2 upon 5 multiply 5 upon 8 minus 1 divided by 2 upon 5 plus 5 upon 8. Now, it is only the calculation part. For the numerator, you can check here. It will give you a result 10 upon 40 minus 1 upon, when you take LCM here, it will be also equal to 40. 16 plus 25. When you solve, so it will give you a result 10 minus 40 upon 40 upon 16 plus 25 upon 40. Now we can cancel 40 and 40 and we are having this result there. It will be equal to minus 30 upon 41. Because of the sign of modulus, we will take it positive value only. So it will be the 30 upon 41. We have to find out the value of theta. We will shift tan to that side. It will become tan inverse. The value of angle is tan inverse 30 upon 41. Now I am taking one more example. If the lines of the regression of y on x and x on y make angle 30 degree and 60 degree with the positive direction of x-axis, then find the correlation coefficient. What we have to find out here? R value between x and y and angle. Angle means tan theta. Now in this question, standard deviation is not given there, but y on x and x on y angle is given. That means we can find out the value of byx, bxy by applying the formula. As you know that, as we have already discussed, these are the M1 and M2 for the regression lines. And we know when angle is given, the value of M is tan theta. We will apply that formula here. Now, when we are talking about the B, y on x is there. So by on x is, slope of y on x is tan theta, tan 30 degree. First 30 degree, so 1 upon under root 3. Now, next angle is the 60 degree angle. So bxy is 1 upon slope of line x on y. So 1 upon tan 60 degree. If we had considered that first angle is by on x, so bxy will be the 1 upon slope of line x on y. So it will be 1 upon tan 60, 1 upon under root 3. We are having the slope of these two values. First we can find out the regression coefficients are there. That is bxy and byx. Both are having. So we can find out coefficient of correlation. R square is equal to byx into bxy. 1 upon under root 3, 1 upon under root 3. 1 upon 3 is there. Now again, when you shift the value, r square is equal to 1 upon 3. R will be equal to plus minus 1 upon under root 3. As we have the same sign of regression coefficient and coefficient of correlation, so these are all having positive sign. So we will consider only the positive sign. And value of r in this case is 1 upon under root 3. Now, we will apply the tan formula to find out the angle there. Tan theta is equal to byx into bxy minus 1. We put the value 1 upon under root 3 multiply 1 upon under root 3 minus 1 divided by 1 upon under root 3 plus 1 upon under root 3. Now in numerator our LCM is 1 upon 3 minus 1. In denominator under root 3 into under root 3, 3 is there. And we will take the cross multiply. Under root 3 plus under root 3. Now when we solve the equation, it will give you a result. One minus 3 upon 2 under root 3. Now minus sign we will take as it is there first. Minus 2 upon 2 under root 3. 2 and 2 cancel. You are having the value modulus of minus 1 upon under root 3. Because of modulus, you will consider only the positive sign. It will 1 upon under root 3. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon under root 3. If you want to find out the value theta, you shift the value. It will be tan inverse 1 upon under root 3. Now, this is the way how we can find out the angle between the two regression line. I hope this concept is clear to you. Do more and more practice. Thank you.